for the mornings. It's really great for the mornings, and I'll tell you why. Let's get to it. I wanted to do this coffee scrub is because coffee is so rich in antioxidants. It protects our skin. It's amazing. It increases the production of collagen and elastin. It minimizes fine lines and protects against the loss of moisture, and it's anti-aging. Baking soda also helps with exfoliation and removing heavy oils, and with proper use is proven to clear up severe cases of acne and balance oily skin. Honey is also another antioxidant and antibiotic, so it helps unclog pores and heal minor blemishes or scrapes or acne scars. And what I did, I put a tablespoon of coffee and a teaspoon of baking soda, sugar, and honey each, and a tablespoon of water. I think I put a little bit too much water, but it's okay. So I have the scrub mix right here, as you can see. And it smells just like coffee. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take my hands and I'm just gonna dig it out like a little animal, like a monkey, and put it all over my face. So rule of thumb, guys, you learn from me. Don't make it too watery, and really try to avoid the eye area, like a bigger eye area, and don't wear white or anything that you want to get messed up. Duh. This is how the mask should look. I put it on again, and I made sure to use a little bit less water so it doesn't drip in my eyes and my mouth, on the floor, and on my clothes. So this is me all done, all cleaned up. I washed it off. Oh my god, like